We have seen this movie before. It's 2:17 a.m. A revenue service breaks down. Checkout latency climbs. The alerts do what they do. They multiply. SRE sees symptoms across services. The application team sees recent deployments. The infrastructure team sees contention and saturation. Everyone is starting at a different piece of reality. Then a war room forms. People start dropping links. Dashboards get shared. Someone asks for a timeline. Someone else asks what changed. 10 minutes pass, then 30, then an hour. Visibility, it's not the outcome. Most teams can see more than ever. This is an operational bottleneck where signals arrive fast, but decisions don't. In that moment, the problem rarely comes down to whether the data exists or not, but whether the team can turn their data into an operational decision quickly, consistently, and confidently. Over the last decade, observability has helped teams see what has been happening across systems. AIOps added pattern recognition. It helps reduce noise and highlighted anomalies. It pointed teams towards probable causes. Now the market is moving again. With the help of AI, autonomous IT platforms, which are a combination of observability, AIOps, and SRE tools, are advancing this domain. The emphasis has shifted from collecting and visualizing signals to helping teams remove operational bottlenecks in a way that reduces manual effort during incidents, under pressure, with guardrails. These platforms exist because teams want a shorter path from something that looks wrong to here's what matters, here's why, and here's how you can fix it. This is why we at Constellation Research have a shortlist on autonomous IT platforms where we track these solutions. The autonomy shows up on a spectrum. First, the platform assist. It reduces noise. It connects signals and summarizes what is happening. Then it starts recommending. It proposes likely causes and suggests the next steps that are grounded in context. Then it supports selective action. Automation becomes a reality in well-defined scenarios, under policy, with approvals and safeguards. The last part really matters. Teams want speed and they also want control. So autonomy grows around guardrails. It evolves as trust builds. Let's talk about Elastic's solution. But before we do that, let's look at how observability keeps changing. Data is growing. Systems are becoming more distributed. Telemetry volume is rising. Cardinality is getting more painful. Retention expectations are increasing. And on top of that, AI is pushing the demand even further. More context, more historical lookbacks, more linking across signals, more analysis per incident, more queries, more compute. If the data foundation is inefficient or expensive, it becomes a reason initiatives slow down, shrink, or even stall. Elastic starts from that very pressure point. The need to organize observability data in a way that remains cost-effective as telemetry and AI usage expand. Elastic has an advantage built over years. Elasticsearch sits at the center of their approach, designed to store, index, and search massive volumes of data very efficiently. That matters because observability is a data problem before it becomes a UI problem. A lot of teams still live in a reporting mindset. They build dashboards, they tune alerts, they react. Then they investigate manually, often under pressure. Elastic's direction moves the center of gravity towards insights. The workflow becomes more direct. The platform helps identify the meaningful issue, explain why it matters, and accelerate the path towards likely causes and next best actions. The goal is less time spent assembling context and more time spent making decisions. This aligns with the autonomous IT platform storyline, turning signals into operational decisions at scale. Elastic is using agents to deliver this shift, where customers can use Elastic's Agent Builder to create agent-driven workflows for observability. Think of an agent as an operational teammate that helps during the moments that really matter. When an incident begins, an agent can pull together what changed, what looks anomalous, which services are involved, and where the blast radius might be heading. It can summarize, correlate, and propose investigation steps in plain language. It can help a practitioner move through the workflow faster without requiring them to click through the different dashboards to reconstruct the story that they are trying to piece through. The agent does not replace judgment. This is important. The agent does not replace judgment. It removes friction. It speeds up the part of incident response that usually burns time. Gathering context, validating hypotheses, and deciding where to look next. This is the bridge from standard observability to generative observability. The platform not only displays information, but it also helps produce understanding. Teams want systems that help them operate, not just observe. Elastic's bet is that you get there by solving the data problem first, and then using agents to turn that organized data into insights during incidents when time and clarity really matter. As telemetry expands and AI usage grows, the winners will be the platforms that keep the data layer efficient and make the intelligence layer operationally useful. Elastic is building towards that combination to deliver an autonomous IT platform. Check out their solutions if you have not.